Okay, so we got the kids' Trailblazer back up on the lift again, and we're just doing maintenance today. We're gonna go ahead and do the transmission filter because it's leaking anyway. We're just gonna do a drop the pan and top her off. Drop pan, and they got two different gaskets for this guy. There's the, well, not gaskets, filters. They got the deep sump and then the regular, and I think this is the regular, but I bought the deep sump and the regular just to make sure that I got the right one. So just return what I don't use. And I'm gonna put it in here because I want to save it, because this will go good in a oil burner. So that's another project that's coming up. All right, got the boy getting all the nuts off here, and I'm gonna go look for that oil filter or the trans filters. We bought it a while back, but any minute now, be ready for the big jump.
What?
The big jump.
No.
Yeah, we're gonna send it.
Sell me.
We'll send it across Lake Lands.
I'm gonna get a brand new one. Well, not
Lake Lands, boys and girls.
Did you say the brand new ones?
It looked like a car.
They kinda
That is
suck.
on its side.
They're
Suspect.
inline 3.
Okay. He's working on loosening the last two in the back there. And then I'm gonna start cracking this guy loose. Yeah. All right, now go ahead and start peeling the pan in the front here. Might be easier on this side, away from that exhaust. There you go. And now, see, it's already broke the seal. So you just start loosening those other bolts and see if she starts draining. It's gonna be messy, no drain plug. Kind of go back and forth and dump them side by side, you know?
Yeah.
He's gonna get me. He's gonna get me. You wanna try pulling down a little more, the pan? Oh yeah, because you got almost no threads there. It's gonna hold the pan. Hold the pan because it's gonna come down. No? All right, go ahead and get that other bolt out. You sure you got all the bolts out?
Pretty? Yeah.
Oh, I see. The pan's hooking up right there on this heat shroud or whatever that is.
Oh.
Yeah, just go ahead. I guess go ahead and take it. Take her down. Got the bolt out?
Yep.
All right, now this is the part where you're gonna get a tranny bath. So like you see right there, where that's where the pan is hooking up on the heat shroud. Yeah, so get it with both hands and kind of like wiggle it to get it to come down.
What's that rag?
Right here.
Kind of off.
Hope that jacket's due for a wash. There you go. Ooh, easy. Oh man, that stuff is dirty. Take her easy. Oh yeah, you're hooking up on the shift linkage now. But yeah, let it drain for a little bit. There you go. Yeah, that's some dirty fluid. Ooh, hope it still works after we change it.
Thanks.
That stuff looks like oil. All right, chuck it in the parts washer. Just gonna give it a good scrub down and get all the seal off. And I'm gonna go check on the filter. Make sure we got the right one. A little bit.
A little bit.
Oh yeah.
A little bit there.
Oh yeah. Yeah, get that out real easy.
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Might as well just rinse it off with a water hose. All right, so filter's out, but we got that seal up in there. Now I'm gonna try it again with this boy. See if I can convince it to come on out of there. All right, so she didn't want to come nicely, so I had to choose violence. But got it creased. We can see that. There you go. So now I just got to get in there with the little hook guy.
Oh.
Hook her out of there. There you go. There's the guy. That fuck boy. All right, now it's important that you put the new one in. I know a lot of people in the past, they don't even change it. They're like, oh, what does it matter? Like, that's just me. So, new guy. Notice the edge there. And this part goes up. I got a socket that fits right over that guy perfectly. So, now send it in. What the fuck are you doing, man?
I don't know.
You are shining up the white walls.
Yeah.
On the inside of the tire.
Well, you were gonna flip them, right?
All right, new seals in. It's all squared up. Just doing last minute touch ups on the transmission side. Get a little bit of gasket residue off. Any minute? You know. What I'm about to say. Ready for the big jump. Almost got it there.
Oh my god. I mean, if you want to buy it off me,
You want to pay for it first?
well, you can, you know, you can just top up the difference.
Me okay. Here, bring them over here. You take your bolts and you're gonna put like one on every corner, and it's gonna hold the gasket in place so it doesn't move on you. Squidge it through. There you go. That keeps it from folding. And you put like another one here or in the corner, and then put, I put one here and then one there. All right, you can leave it. That's fine.
Wait, what?
As long as because you just want to make sure that the gasket doesn't move on you when you're putting it up.
Oh.
Then it's right here.
Yeah, my bad. I just realized what you said.
Yeah. Right there. And that should keep it from, you just don't want to worry about the gasket slipping out. Excuse me. Now go and stab her in. Oh, let me get you the socket. Where's the socket? There you go. Yeah, hang on. You're hitting right here. You gotta come back with it because you're hitting the edge of the, you're hitting this on here. There you go. There you go. All right, now you gotta come this way to clear that shield. There you go. You're hitting the linkage there, so get that up over.
That's all the play I got.
Okay, hang on. There you go. You in? Yeah. Here. Run them all down by hand so you make sure that nothing gets cross-threaded. I can't do it. Is that shittiest thing when you cross-thread a transmission pan bolt. There you go. All right, so we got the pan all tightened up, back on, and we're gonna fill it up. And the filter, let me grab that. Filter box, I believe it said 5 quarts for a filter replacement. What did she say? This is the one that we used. Yeah. Fill 5 quart. 4.73 liters, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so let's do that. And this has got 4 quarts and we got another gallon. We'll put 5 in and get her warmed up and see where she sits. Let's get some of that pour action. Hang on, let me open this up more. Oh, it is pretty open. All right. Look at that pour action. That's better. All right, so we got it. This is what came out of the drain pan. It was about 3.5 quarts. See there? So yeah, we got the 4 in there. We're gonna warm it up and check it when it's warm. So see if we need to add more. All right, so trans service is done. Ended up taking 6.5 quarts, not 5. So that could have just been that it was low. And now we're gonna be flipping the tires because my son noticed they are white wall on the other side. He wants the white walls out. So we're gonna do that and we're done. All right, so tires are flipped. Which is kind of good because the front's had some inside wear, so flipped them. Now the inside wear is on the outside. Transmission service was a success. We're done. Let's go get some eat.
See how far she goes.
See how far we make it. Stand by.